Barley is a grain that has been cherished for centuries. Its golden hue and hearty texture make it a staple in many cultures around the world. It is one of the oldest grains known to humanity, with evidence of its cultivation dating back to ancient civilizations. From the Fertile Crescent to the far reaches of Asia, barley has played a crucial role in human history. People have eaten it for thousands of years, recognizing its nutritional value and versatility. Today, barley is celebrated as a superfood, packed with essential nutrients and health benefits. This means it is very good for you. Rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, barley can support your overall health and well-being. Incorporating barley into your diet can help you live a healthier life. Its high fiber content aids digestion, while its low glycemic index helps regulate blood sugar levels. Barley is a versatile grain that can be used in a variety of dishes. From breakfast to dinner, there are countless ways to enjoy this nutritious grain. It can be eaten in many ways. You can use it as a base for salads, mix it into casseroles, or even use it as a substitute for rice or pasta. You can add it to soups and stews, where it absorbs flavors beautifully and adds a satisfying texture. You can also use it to make bread and cereal. Barley flour can be used in baking to create delicious, wholesome bread, while barley flakes make a nutritious breakfast cereal. Barley is delicious and good for you. Its nutty flavor and chewy texture make it a delightful addition to any meal. Adding barley to your diet is easy. It is widely available and can be found in various forms, such as whole grain, pearl barley, and barley flour. You can find it in most grocery stores, often in the health food section or alongside other grains. Try it today and discover the benefits for yourself. You might be surprised at how much you like it. With its numerous health benefits and culinary versatility, barley is a grain that deserves a place in your kitchen. Barley is full of nutrients. This ancient grain has been a staple in diets around the world for thousands of years, and for good reason. Its rich nutritional profile makes it a powerhouse of health benefits. These are things your body needs to be healthy. Incorporating barley into your meals can provide essential nutrients that support overall well-being and vitality. Barley has fiber, which is good for digestion. The high fiber content in barley helps to keep your digestive system running smoothly, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. It also has vitamins and minerals. Barley is a good source of important vitamins like B vitamins, which are crucial for energy production, and minerals such as magnesium, selenium, and iron, which play vital roles in various bodily functions. These help your body work properly. Consuming barley can contribute to better energy levels, improved immune function, and overall enhanced physical performance. One important nutrient in barley is beta-glucan. This soluble fiber is known for its ability to form a gel-like substance in the gut, which can have several health benefits. This is a type of fiber. Beta-glucan is particularly effective in slowing down the absorption of carbohydrates, which can help in managing blood sugar levels. Beta-glucan has many health benefits. It can enhance your immune system, making you more resistant to infections and diseases. It can help lower cholesterol. By binding to bile acids in the intestines, beta-glucan helps to reduce the amount of cholesterol absorbed into the bloodstream, thus lowering overall cholesterol levels. It can also help control blood sugar levels. This makes barley an excellent choice for people with diabetes or those looking to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Another benefit of barley is its protein content. While not as high as in some other grains, the protein in barley is still significant and can contribute to your daily protein needs. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues. It plays a crucial role in muscle recovery, making barley a great addition to the diet of athletes and active individuals. It also helps you feel full and satisfied after eating. The combination of fiber and protein in barley can help to curb hunger and keep you feeling full for longer, aiding in weight management and overall health. Barley is good for your gut. Your gut is where your body digests food. Barley has fiber. Fiber helps your gut work properly. Fiber adds bulk to your stool. This makes it easier to pass. Barley can help prevent constipation. It can also help with other digestive problems. A healthy gut means a healthier you. By supporting your gut health, barley contributes to your overall well-being. Barley is good for your heart. This humble grain, often overlooked, is packed with nutrients that can significantly benefit your cardiovascular health. Your heart is a very important organ. It works tirelessly, beating around 100,000 times a day to keep you alive. It pumps blood throughout your body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your cells and removing waste products. Barley can help lower cholesterol. This is because it contains a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which binds to cholesterol in the digestive system and helps remove it from the body. Cholesterol is a type of fat in your blood. While your body needs some cholesterol to function properly, too much can lead to health problems. Too much cholesterol is bad for your heart. It can build up in the walls of your arteries, forming plaques that narrow and harden them, a condition known as atherosclerosis. Barley can also help lower blood pressure. The fiber, potassium, and magnesium in barley work together to maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Blood pressure is the force of your blood against your artery walls. When this pressure is consistently too high, it can damage your arteries and lead to heart disease. High blood pressure is bad for your heart. It forces your heart to work harder than normal, which can weaken it over time and increase your risk of heart attack and stroke. By incorporating barley into your diet, you can take proactive steps towards a healthier cardiovascular system. Enjoy it in soups, salads, or as a side dish. Not only is it versatile and delicious, but it also provides a wealth of health benefits that can help you maintain a strong and healthy heart. So, next time you're planning your meals, consider adding barley to your shopping list. Your heart will thank you. Section 5. Barley and weight management. Feeling fuller. Staying healthier. Barley can help you manage your weight. It has a lot of fiber. Fiber makes you feel full. This can help you eat less. Barley also helps control blood sugar levels. This is important for weight management. When your blood sugar is stable, you are less likely to crave unhealthy snacks. Remember, a balanced diet and regular exercise are crucial for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Section 6. Barley in your kitchen. Simple ways to enjoy this versatile grain. Barley is easy to cook. You can cook it in water or broth. It takes about 30 to 40 minutes to cook. You can add barley to soups, stews, and salads. You can also use barley flour. Barley flour is made from ground barley. You can use it to make bread, muffins, and other baked goods. Experiment with different recipes and find what you enjoy most. Section 7. Choosing the right barley. Hulled, pearled, and more. There are different types of barley. Hulled barley is the least processed. It has the most fiber. Pearled barley is more processed. It has less fiber. Barley flakes are rolled barley. They cook quickly. Barley grits are ground barley. They are similar to grits made from corn. Consider your preferences and dietary needs when selecting the type of barley that's right for you. Section 8. Potential drawbacks and considerations. Barley is generally safe to eat, but some people may be allergic to it. If you have a gluten allergy, you should avoid barley. Barley can also interact with some medications. If you are taking medication, talk to your doctor before adding barley to your diet. It's always a good idea to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. Section 9. Barley. A sustainable choice for a healthier planet. Choosing barley is not only good for you, but it's also good for the planet. Barley is a sustainable crop. It requires less water and fewer pesticides than other grains. By choosing barley, you are supporting sustainable agriculture. You are also helping to reduce your environmental impact. Every little bit helps when it comes to protecting our planet. Section 10. Embrace the power of barley. A recap. Barley is a nutritional powerhouse. It is packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Barley is good for your digestion, heart, and weight. Adding barley to your diet is easy and delicious. There are many ways to enjoy this versatile grain. Choose barley today and experience the health benefits for yourself. Eat real food, not too much, mostly plants.